looks amazing. So much flavor in that water already. I'm excited.
Clean the greens because they're so leafy. You have to get rid of this vine. You know what I told you about Lowry's. If you don't have Lowry's, it's not a real black household. So for the occasion, we're going to use some Lowry's, baby, and some garlic salt. Okay?
All right. That looks beautiful already, honestly. Jiffy just so iconic, like that simple box.
All right, so the secret, right, is that you add some melted butter to the batter.
Real chill.
I'm super loosey-goosey, and I'm real chill.
It's not, you know.
That looks about 1/3-ish. Have like little bits inside your bite. You know you gotta season it on both sides.
Hashtag Lowry's.
Hashtag Lowry's. You want to cover the pan at least halfway full. You don't want to poke holes in it, because then you're going to take all the juice out.
Okay.
And then it's going to start popping and bubbling on you. So you get some tongs and turn it that way. When you bite it, it's going to be nice and juicy. Good old cricket.
Ooh, that is graphic. Oh my God, this fried chicken looks crazy good. I'm so excited to dig in. This fried chicken is so juicy, crispy, crunchy, packed full of flavor. Did you crush it?
Crushed it.
Nice. So this chicken was amazing without hot sauce, but you know me, I'm a spicy boy. Let's get into it. You can't beat the heat. I loved it the way it was, but hot sauce, you know, come on.
I'm a dipping.
Dippy dippy.
And I'm a dip out.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Squash, squash,
Gang,
squash,
gang, gang.